In this video, we'll see the prepositions and especially the prepositions when we combine them with the relative pronouns. So we've been covering the relative pronouns before. In this video, we will focus on the preposition selon. So let's see how selon will behave when we combine it with relative pronouns. So we want to be professional, so of course we will cover le féminin singulier. After that we will cover the masculin singulier, then the féminin pluriel, and finally the masculin pluriel. So let's start with the féminin singulier. So of course the preposition we want to work on in this video is selon. And we'll have a first category if we combine selon with a living or animated thing. In that case, we will use the pronoun qui. D'accord? So, voici la journaliste selon, so we put the preposition, then right after we will put qui. Voici la journaliste selon qui ce parlementaire serait corrompu. So in that case, we will go for qui, because it's la journaliste. So la journaliste, it's obviously a living person. So voici la journaliste selon qui ce parlementaire serait corrompu. And the second category will be if we combine selon with something that can be animated or not animated, but it won't be a living thing. So it's not for the person or then for an animal. Voici la revue selon laquelle, so in that case, we will use the feminine form of the pronoun, and it's the singular form, laquelle le président de la République voudrait divorcer. Voici la revue selon laquelle le président de la République voudrait divorcer. So let's remember one more time, because it will be exactly the same thing for the masculine singular, feminine plural, and then the masculine plural. So we will make the difference between the living animated or then animated and not animated. So first category, qui. Second category here will take laquelle because it's the feminine singular. So let's have a look now at the masculine singular, le masculin singulier. So same concept, selon. First category, living or animated. Voici l'enquêteur selon qui ce parlementaire serait corrompu. So as you can see here, it will be exactly the same. In fact, qui will be used for the feminine or then for the masculine. And it will be also used for the plural form. So it's quite easy in that case. Voici l'enquêteur selon qui ce parlementaire serait corrompu. Same thing here. We will combine it with the animated and not animated with another pronoun, and in that case it will be lequel. Remember, we saw that previously. Lequel, it's the pronom relatif masculin, so masculine singular in that case. Because journal, as you can see here, le journal, it's a masculine word. Voici le journal selon lequel le président de la République voudrait divorcer. So once again, we make the difference between living animated, and in that case it will be qui, and the animated and not animated, and it will be lequel. Let's have a look at the feminine plural, le féminin pluriel. Selon, living animated. Voici les journalistes selon qui ce parlementaire serait corrompu. Alors, in that case, remember that journalist can be masculine or feminine. So, in that case, I decided that I would use it in the feminine form, but in fact, it doesn't really impact anything because it will be always qui as you saw. Huh? So remember, masculine singular qui, feminine singular qui, feminine plural qui, and masculine plural, it will be qui too. So, voici les journalistes selon qui ce parlementaire serait corrompu. And let's see, now with the animated and not animated but not living, voici les revues féminin pluriel, selon lesquelles. Hein? So remember that lesquelles is the feminine plural form of these pronouns. Lesquelles. Le président de la République voudrait divorcer. Voici les revues selon lesquelles le président de la République voudrait divorcer. Hein? So same thing here. Qui, living animated, lesquels animated and not animated. And let's finish with the masculin pluriel. Le masculin pluriel, selon, living animated. Voici les enquêteurs selon qui ce parlementaire serait corrompu. So in that case, I've been putting les enquêteurs, masculine plural word, and then once again we will use qui. And last but not least, animated and not animated. Voici les journaux, so journal, singular form, it's masculine, obviously journaux plural form will be masculine plural, les journaux selon lesquels, remember this is the masculine plural form of this pronoun, lesquels le président de la République voudrait divorcer. Voici les enquêteurs selon qui ce parlementaire serait corrompu. Voici les journaux selon lesquels le président de la République voudrait divorcer.